In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on US dollar index. Dear friends, this index is on a verge of breakout from an important resistance level. And along with that, there are multiple positive factors which is about to trigger, and due to which it will give us an opportunity to buy this index. We can initiate a buy position before an upside rally gets started. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was on top where the stock index had started a price wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the index was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the index got corrected with price wise correction, and there was a back to back lower lows. First lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower low sequence is challenged towards an higher highs. So this is an point. If the index further break on the upper side, there will be an sequence of lower lows get shifted to higher highs, and that will be an area where we will get a confirmation that index had completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. Dear friends, now we will check the diversion over here. If we placed an diversion index indicators, you will be surprised to know that there will be a positive diversion. If you'll see, the price action is flat, the last lower lows peak is flat, and this area is tilting on the downside, but here there is a continuously tilting on the upper side. So this is a major positive sign, this is a major positive signal that we call it as a positive diversion. And very soon positive diversion will break the moment this higher peak will get trigger on the upper side. And finally, and the most important point over here is and chart, the most important signal that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see a closer look over here, you will be able to see there is a bottom formation, and we call it as a rounding bottom pattern. But my dear friends, the index haven't broken yet from the neckline. The index is on a verge of breakout. So far it haven't given any breakout yet. We have to wait for a breakout about 100.356 dollar. This is a neckline. Once we will get a closing above 100.356 dollar, then this rounding bottom, this rounding bottom will get trigger the moment it will break up with the high volume, and then we will see a follow-up buying, and it will give a massive upside rally. So, and my dear friends, don't do blind trading. We have to keep this US dollar index under a watch list, and we have to closely monitor. And the moment you find 100.350 dollars, $100.350 get broken out on the daily closing basis, that we can utilize as an opportunity to buy the index for a big upside move of $104. So very soon you will witness the target of $104. But this will be in two major dollar. 103.50 will be the first target, and 104 will be the second target. And in between, there will be a resistance at 101.955. So probably around 102. So this will be, the blue line will be in rejection or resistance line. Once it will get break, it may come to, to face the resistance at the rejection, and then it will come to retest the neckline, and then again it will start the journey. So my dear friends, you have to keep your mindset ready. If the index comes near to the resistance level, you have to keep your mindset ready to face an volatility. So my dear friends, and don't do blind trading. You have to wait for a confirmation for a close above the neckline. Don't do immature trading, don't do impatient trading. Do always rule based trading. You have to check all the confirmation is met, then only you can keep the position open on the buy side. So my dear friend, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my technicals, hit the like button of the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.